Hi, this is Joshua Crawford, Managing Director of the recruiting firm PROPRIUS. Welcome to Get Hired Secrets. On today's show, we'll discuss 3 points you should negotiate when you are losing your job. Do you know what to ask for when you face a job loss? These 3 points can be negotiated at this difficult time. Okay, you work for a company that has been going through a lot of changes and upheaval. Word is going around about possible layoffs and furloughs, and you worry you'll be next. If you've been an exemplary employee and the layoff is not because of anything you've done, be sure you ask these 3 questions as you're being handed your notice. Number 1, ask for a letter of reference. You can use this to help you land that new job, and it will be beneficial to have a letter that praises you and your accomplishments. This will show future employers that your termination was a business decision and not because of any wrongdoing on your part. Most people forget to ask about this, and it's very difficult to try to go back later and ask for one. Number 2, ask about severance pay. Now, you're not automatically guaranteed this unless it was stipulated in your employment contract when you were hired. Typically, 1 week of severance is given for each year of service to the company, but this can be negotiable. And especially if you've recently finished an important project, have been honored, or achieved a major goal, be sure to remind them it may buy you another week of severance pay that they weren't planning on giving. Number 3, are you entitled to unused vacation pay? In most cases, the answer is no. Some companies allow you to roll over your unused time from 1 year to the next, while others have a use it or lose it policy. Most companies will explain the rules in the employee handbook, but asking to be paid for your unused vacation may just earn you a few extra dollars you could use right now. You may not get any severance or vacation pay, and you especially won't if you don't ask for it. So don't forget this. This is a very difficult situation for your boss too. So he or she may be willing to give you more than had been planned on. You'll never know unless you try. And the worst that can happen is they say no. If the moment passes, chances are you won't have another opportunity to ask these questions again. Knowing what to ask for ahead of time will give you the confidence to speak up. For more tips, tricks, and training, check out gethiredsecrets.com. Again, that's gethiredsecrets.com. Until next time, be safe, be healthy, and be blessed.